Okay, so just to summarize then, we're looking at straight line graphs, and all straight line graphs have the form of y equals mx plus c, where so it basically means this m and this c would be a constant, and the c is that y-intercept, and the m is the gradient. So in other words, how steep the line is. We work out the gradient by calculating the change in y over the change in x. For this one, the change in y was from 0 to 3, so the change in y was 3. This little triangle is the Greek symbol delta, and it just means change in. So that would be change in x, and the change in x was about 2 from our little sketch, from 0 to 2. Well, actually, the change in x would be, yes, it's still 2. It goes from, we move from left to right, so it went from -2 to 0, so it's 2. So that's the change in. Then to know what you do to calculate it is you do the change in y divided by the change in x. So it's the 3 divided by 2, and that's 1.5. So, and the intercept was 3. So all you do is you take this equation here, and instead of writing m, you write the gradient, 1.5. Instead of writing c, you write the intercept, which is 3. So for this equation, y equals 1.5, x plus 3. Now you can practice lots of these types of equations and straight line graphs using Desmos. This was a picture that we made. So let me just write where we got that from. We got that from Desmos. And, oh, I've got smart drawing on, I think, perhaps. No, I don't. Okay. So Desmos is a really good tool. It has lots of other features on it as well. And you can also plot lots of other types of graphs. But for straight line graphs, it's good also. And you can draw them out and then see what equation you think it's going to be. Now, what we're going to look at next time is perpendicular and parallel lines. We did look at this in the past, but yeah, I won't bother writing that right now because we don't really need it on the video. But we're going to look at perpendicular and parallel lines next lesson, I think. But that's basically all you need to know about straight line graphs.